Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another read. This will be for September Sagittarius. Let's see what energies are flowing towards you and how you can have this reading help you to have a wonderful month ahead. And these are general collective readings, Sagittarius, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. Alright, Sagittarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Saggis, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Sagittarius, oh, wonderful. Sagittarius and Spirit's secret message to you. Bottom of my deck, you have the Magician card, Sagittarius. It actually tells me that you have all the tools that you need to have a beautiful future, but currently I do feel you seem to be kind of looking back in the past and feeling a little bit of a pity party going on. I'm sorry to say that, Sagittarius. Maybe some things haven't worked out for you, but what Spirit is saying, in September, you're going to be like the magician. You can transform your life the way you want it. I mean, you can look back and be in sadness, or you can look, to the positive side of life and have a happier future, or at least the month of September. So what I'm going to do, Sagittarius, before I start this reading, I'm going to take a Ganesha Oracle card for you. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you, and then we'll start your reading. So for Sagittarius Spirit, what do you have for Sagittarius? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for September? Blessing, guidance, advice, steadfastness. Look forward to the future with a little bit of, steadfastness, I would feel. Don't get stuck in past memories. That's what I'm feeling. If you're feeling a bit stubborn or stuck in your thoughts or, feelings, I think it's time to maybe release that. And if you have to be stubborn on something, let's say, be stubborn on some positive thoughts, positive, like equal partnerships, equal give and take, making your dreams come true. Don't focus too much on what hasn't happened in your life till now. Okay? So, let's take a couple of words from... Okay, so now I don't have my glasses. Doesn't matter. Give me a second, Sagittarius. So let's take a few lines from the book, Sagittarius, 32. Let's see what the steadfastness is all about for you. 56. Okay. Do not waver back and forth or be moved by circumstances that are surrounding you at this time. Be focused on your purpose and unwilling to be swayed by what other people think. Ganesha heartens you by revealing that when you know your effort is not futile, you'll be steadfast and immovable. This seems to be a major stumbling block in your life at this time. Perhaps your current job gives you little recognition with no real sense of accomplishment or success. You may feel unheard in your relationships. Possibly the error lies in the fact that in your heart, you really feel your struggle is hopeless. You may recognize it on an intellectual level, but you are easily shaken when you don't see the fruit of your exertion. Ganesha is pictured here riding the elephant to engage you in the energy of the elephant spirit. Elephants can teach you that kindness, dedication, and communication in relationships is very powerful. They remind you that it is necessary to keep relationships alive, trusting and loving, whether the relationship is with friends, family, or partner. Deeply faithful in all creatures with which they have relationships, elephants are tough while protecting others and gentle when nurturing them. Do whatever is necessary to safeguard your resolve. You are receiving guidance that this is the time to dig in. Remain focused on receiving guidance that at this time, that you don't get caught up in trying to create a change. The energy at your job or relationship is ever changing. Ask Ganesha to bring you strength to work through what is happening. Stay committed and on track. Do not give up, as change will show up soon and the situation will be transformed. So exactly what I was saying, Sagittarius, don't focus too much on what has not happened. In fact, be the magician of your own life in September and allow positive things to happen, and that's going to come out of partnerships, of equal give and take, of having people around you, having friends and family around you. So make sure you are only giving out positive vibration. Don't focus too much on feeling it never works out for me. Let's take an angel blessing as well and see what my angels have for you for September, Sagittarius. Sagittarius for September, my angels. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice. Pause. Pause to think about, Sagittarius, what you're focusing on. Are you focusing on what doesn't work for you or what you want to manifest? Okay, I think this is a strong time to pause and manifest whatever you want. Where do you see your life going? Where do you see your job going? Where do you see your partnership going? Are you focusing on things which haven't worked, or are you going to put your time and effort to manifest the best possible outcome for yourself? Okay, so let's start your reading. Why is Sagittarius spirit in the Five of Cups energy? This is your current energy. This is not September energy, this one. So Five of Cups spirit. Five of Cups. Why is Sagittarius in the Five of Cups energy? As much as you're trying to be strong, Sagittarius, in maybe a very structured environment, maybe a family, or maybe an office environment or something, somewhere you are kind of getting a bit disappointed. Maybe you've wanted some fast movement in some area of your life, but you feel there is no movement, and it could be kind of making you feel a little sad and depressed and almost wanting to walk away from something. But Spirit is urging you to kind of be brave at this time. Things are going to get structured and things are going to get committed or come back into balance very soon. So this is not the time to walk away from things. In fact, think of, how you can be strong enough to manifest what you want. Exactly the same message. So what happened in the recent past for Sagittarius to be feeling this way, Spirit? Justice. You wanted things to be going in your favor. I think things did not change as fast as you wanted them to. You really thought that something will come back into alignment. Maybe there was a proposal that you wanted which never came. Maybe this was a job opportunity, or maybe a raise in finances, but that never came. And yes, you were waiting. Yeah, you were waiting for, when is this offer going to be made to me? When is it going to be? You were unwilling to kind of accept that, this is not going to happen, or you may have felt a bit disappointed that this didn't happen. You were quite, I think, concerned about the justice that was maybe not provided to you in this, whatever the circumstances, and right now you may be kind of concentrating on this to see, hey, I've only wanted things to be fair, and that thing never happened. So instead of thinking of what didn't happen, Sagittarius, I think it's time to look forward, because I do see very fast forward movement coming in September with the Knight of Swords. Things are going to change in the blink of an eye. This is very, very swift movement coming towards you. What's this Knight of Swords, Spirit? Coming up for Sagittarius? Yes, there is going to be, I think, a lot of hands on the deck from what I feel. There's something new, something stable that's coming your way, which is from 1, it's going to grow, like, see, to the 6. But this could be with the help of others. There could be many people in the mix who could be involved in something. Maybe this is an office environment. Maybe this is your friends and family, extending their hand to help you. But whatever is going to happen is going to be solid this time, and it's going to suddenly change. So if you feel you're alone, Sagittarius, if you feel, nothing works out for me and I have to walk off alone and I do, whatever, in September, I do see some very swift changes and many people coming out to help you relieve your load. If you've been carrying all this baggage, all this 10 wands, which is tiring you out, Sagittarius, in September, you can finally let down this load. Allow other people to come in, and help you with whatever you're suffering with. One more for September, Spirit. What can Sagittarius expect? Sagittarius, there is an unknown. There is something which is still hidden in the dark, which is, I think Spirit doesn't even want me to know. There is somebody who's going to have your best interest at heart. This could be a masculine in your life, could be a father, could be a boss. There could be somebody who's been watching maybe, and even though you may not realize it, this person may come and extend, a renewal of your life. My God, this is going to be a huge change coming in for you, Sagittarius, in September. This is going to make you very, very happy. Okay, whatever this change is coming is going to... So this is just a pause in your life. If you feel things are not moving right now, September is promising you a renewal. It's a very positive major arcana card. Okay? And what should Sagittarius hold on to, Spirit? Hold on to the fact that there are others who have your best interest at heart. You may not believe it at this point because I see you looking back and saying, hey, nobody's ever extended their hand to help me. There's nobody around, I have to carry all the load myself. But believe it or not, hold on to this feeling of equal give and take. Okay? This is one thing which is valid for the universe as well. Like what you put out in the universe is what you get back, right? Similarly, with your friends, with your family, with your co-workers, what you give out, you will get back. That's called the law of karma. So make sure that you have a balanced connection. Make sure that you are always, interacting with others. If you have to message your co-workers, wish them happy birthday or connect with others, make sure the lines of communication always remain open. Be very mindful of that, because it's others who are going to actually be your biggest source of strength in September. Okay? So please hold on to all your loved ones, all your, people around you. Keep lines of communication open. Don't shut yourself down. So what should Sagittarius let go of, Spirit? What should Sagittarius let go of? Sagittarius, if there's been any kind of imbalance in your life, if you haven't been feeling very happy, instead of blocking, people out of your life, instead of, trying, again, same message, right? Blocking others from realizing or understanding what you're going through, whatever imbalance is in your life, whatever you feel, I think instead of staying silent or feeling unhappy by yourself, it's time to heal with others, from what I feel. It's time to share, heal. If you have any kind of problems, say, in the home or stability, instead of being in a self-imposed prison of your own mind, right? This is somebody who's overthinking, feeling tied down, stressed out, but actually they are not. The path in front of them is wide open, but they imagine that they have swords all around, and if I move, I'll cut myself. I have no place to turn to. So Spirit is saying, I think it's time to let that go. Your wishes are going to come true. Don't worry about it. The star is here. Okay? So what will become Sagittarius's biggest blockage? 6 of Cups. Living in the past. Too wrapped up in past memories. Keeping yourself secluded. Sagittarius, again, same message. This can become a blockage if you just keep reliving childhood memories, maybe always feeling there was no justice in my childhood for me. Maybe my siblings got better than me, or my last boss did this to me, or just kind of living in the past and overthinking and keeping yourself totally isolated. That could actually become a bit of a blockage. It And don't harbor, Spirit is saying, tell Sagittarius not to harbor any anger or any resentment. Okay, this is a time to bring in new, fresh energies. Try and cultivate an atmosphere of friendship, of happiness, of newness in your life, instead of pondering over all the things that made you angry. So, how do people see my Saggi's spirit in September? Knight of Pentacles. Why do they see my Saggi's as the Knight of Pentacles spirit? One more. Sagittarius, if you don't take my advice, that's exactly how people are going to be seeing you. They're going to be seeing you a bit stagnant. They're going to be seeing you all wrapped up in past memories and not fighting for what you want anymore, feeling that everybody wins over me. So I think this September, Spirit is giving you a choice. No wonder this reading has come out now, so that you can kind of get something from this reading and maybe not be in that state where people see my Saggis as, stagnant. You don't want to be stagnant. When are you stagnant? When you're not moving ahead. What are you doing standing there? You're looking at all the things that haven't worked, Sagittarius. So now Spirit says, Saggis, we're giving you a choice. The choice is in your hands. I mean, we can give you the opportunity. We can show you the way. Yes, it's time now to release any negativity from your life. Anything that anybody has ever done to you in the past which made you unhappy, Sagittarius, this is going to be the month where you release it all. Just release it all instead of carrying this festering wound and reliving it time and time again, because then that creates a blockage. Okay? So you have to ask yourself, Sagittarius, what do I want to manifest? Each human being, we have free will, right? We have destined parameters, we have energies which flow towards us, but are we going to use these energies wisely is the question. What do you want to manifest in your life? Spirit, your secret message for Saggis, please. The World. See, you can shut down that past chapter now. It's already come to an end. Whatever cycle you were in of unhappiness or feeling, that people didn't have your best interest, of whatever you were feeling, this is a brand new chapter that Spirit is going to be gifting you in the month of September, Sagittarius, and they've made you the Magician. What are you going to make of this new chapter? Why is the World card your secret message for Saggis, please, Spirit? Why is the World card here as your secret message? Oops. Okay. One more. Sagittarius. Wonderful. Okay, I don't even need any more. I don't know why I'm taking them. Okay, all right. No wonder I took another one. Sagittarius, number one. I'll tell you the bad part before I tell you the good part, right? Sagittarius, Spirit is saying, here's your new chapter. We're starting a brand new cycle for you. Are you going to be stubborn with us? Are you not going to accept it? Are you trying to control this new beginning that we are giving you? You know how beautiful it's going to be. Ace of Pentacles, we're going to give you everything. If you wanted that increment, it's coming. You wanted stability, it's coming. It's going to make you feel so happy. It's going to make you so happy, Sagittarius. I had one card. Where was that? I don't know. No, maybe this was it. Okay, so okay, let me take one more. Since I've said one more, I'm going to take one more for you, Sagittarius. So one more card, Spirit, for this World card. Yes, you're going I knew it. This little bit of self-care, this little bit of self-love, Sagittarius, if you concentrate on that instead of being stubborn and trying to stop this new beginning, if you can do that, Sagittarius, not only does this new beginning arrive for you, but you will finally be out of this confusion. This confusion of why don't things work for me. It's going to be the end of this sleepless nights that you've been having. This not being able to sleep, worrying all the time. Why me? Why me? Why me? It's going to be It's going to be the end of that. But like I said, what are you going to manifest? The magic is in your hands now, Sagittarius. Use this energy very, very wisely, Sagittarius, because you can shut the past way of things and achieve anything you want now in September. Okay? So take a little pause. I'm not saying do it overnight. Take a little pause and be steadfast in your belief. Whatever you will believe is what you will achieve. You are the magician of your own life now in September. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Have a wonderful month ahead, and I'll see you soon. Till next time then. And newbies, don't forget to subscribe, and my subscribers, to give a like if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Love and light. Namaste.